Default text. Looking for Android backup tools without root? Here are the top options to protect your data. Top 1. Best Android Backup Without Root Backup Manager for Android. MobiKin Backup Manager for Android lets you back up and restore Android data with one click. It offers a simple and efficient way to protect your files. How can I use Android Backup and restore to backup my Android phone without root? Step 1. Ensure your Android device is linked to a computer. Open the program and connect your Android phone via USB or Wi-Fi. The main interface will appear automatically. Step 2. Select the data types to back up. Click Backup from the page, and you'll see a list of data types. Please check the items you want to back up before selecting them. Step 3. Backup the Android phone to the computer without root. Hit Browser to set up a location for saving output content. Finally, please tap on Backup to initiate Android backup without root. Top 2. MobiKin Assistant for Android. MobiKin Assistant for Android supports full or selective Android backups and restores. It also lets you preview and transfer contacts, photos, and more via USB or Wi-Fi. Top 3. Google Drive. Google Drive is a great cloud backup and restore service, facilitating users to upload files like photographs, videos, documents, etc. to Google. You have the opportunity to view items offline, manage access levels, and navigate through content from Google Photos. Top 4. G-Cloud Backup. Offering 1 GB for free, G-Cloud Backup gives you up to 10 GB of storage in its cloud for a fee. This service lets you back up your Android phone without root, covering contacts, messages, images, videos, documents, call history, WhatsApp, Viber, and more for an easy restore. Top 5. App Share and Backup. For users looking for a simple way to keep app files safe, App Share and Backup offers a lightweight backup method without root access. It can export APK files from installed apps and save them for later installation on the same or another Android device. Top 6. Swift Backup. As one of the best Android backup apps without root, Swift Backup runs backups of your Android phones on Google Drive, Dropbox, OwnCloud, and Nextcloud, including SMS, call logs, wallpapers, contacts, etc. Top 7. Resilio Sync. Do you want to send your personal data to third-party cloud storage? Try to use Resilio Sync to get your backups on a PC hard drive after hooking up your phone to the computer. Top 8. App Backup and Restore. As its name suggests, App Backup and Restore is specially designed for taking backups of Android apps. This outstanding tool lets you keep backups to SD cards or cloud storage or extracts, shares, and even edits APK files. Top 9. My Backup. A practical choice for Android users who need a no-root backup solution is My Backup, which allows users to save contacts, call logs, messages, photos, videos, and other personal data without requiring root access. Top 10. Easy Backup and Restore. Another option for basic Android backup needs is Easy Backup and Restore, which works without root and helps users protect essential information such as contacts, SMS, call history, and calendars.